how to log in into Fidelity account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can log in into Fidelity account. So without any further delay, let's dive into this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser. Head to the search bar and then type in Fidelity Login. From your search results, navigate to the first link on the interface that says Fidelity Login. That will directly take you to their login page. Now to log in, first of all you have to enter your username that is associated with your account. Make sure you type in your correct username. Under that, enter your password associated with your account and make sure you type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your username or password, there is link right here. Click on it, follow some on-screen instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. So if you're done typing in your username and your password, all you have to do is click a login button, and if you have entered your correct login credential, you will be logged in into your Fidelity account. That's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.